Hello friends, welcome back. Today I would be demonstrating you another AI feature which I have added in my Excel spreadsheet. That is how we can search and filter data in Excel using natural language, and that too without Copilot. This is yet another AI feature which I have added to the spreadsheet. Y'all can refer to the link in the description section to view the other AI features which I have added in the spreadsheet. Now let's focus on today's topic, which is searching and filtering Excel data using natural language. So let's begin. So this is my spreadsheet and it has some sample order data. And now just using simple English language text, we would be searching and filtering some data. We won't be using any complex Excel formulas, pure English text. So without wasting any time, let's see the first example. So here I have these columns and there is maybe like if I want to search some records which has category as technology. I am not using any complex Excel formula. I am just providing prompt in simple English language like fetch data where category is technology. I hit enter. You go. You get all the records where the category is technology from this data. Now let's add some more condition. In this case, we have this product column, and now within the category as technology, you want to see the records for phones. So what you can do is like add that condition again in simple English language like this, and product contains phone. I hit enter, and now if you see the records which are there in the product column, it has Android phone, iPhone, headphones, and OnePlus phone. Isn't it easy? Doesn't it make the filtering task much easier? And now if you want to further add, so the process would be same. For example, now if you are like interested where quantity is more than 5, so you will just append the prompt and quantity more than 5, hit enter, and now you see the quantity is 10, 6, and 6. The other twos which were less than 5, those are now filtered off. Y'all could also provide the prompt in SQL, structured query like syntax. Like people who are familiar with databases, they are comfortable providing those queries. So even if you provide the prompt in that format, this approach will work. Let me give you an example of it. So this time, the prompt I am writing in the SQL format. So I'm writing select from, I could give anything. I could give the name of this sheet, or I could just mention as data, whatever it is, that is fine. I will write the name of the sheet, select from order data, where maybe customer name is, I'll take the example of Emma Brown. So EMMABROWN, hit enter, and now you see the two records for Emma Brown are now displayed over here. So even if you wish to use SQL kind of syntax and provide the prompt, this will work and it will give you the correct output. My database friends would be asking like, I did not add anything over here. I did not add star. If you add the star or without the star, this will work fine. So even if you want to add, you could add the star, select star from order data where customer name is Emma Brown. And let's insert another condition, and maybe region is East. And now you see you get only one record where the customer name is Emma Brown and region is East. I'm not using any complex formulas, just simple English language prompt. This is working because I have embedded artificial intelligence, AI, within this spreadsheet, and I am not even using Copilot. So this searching and filtering feature and the other features which are available in the link in the description section, these are only available in this spreadsheet which I have prepared. These are not publicly available. Please through the comments let me know what other AI features should I be adding into this spreadsheet. I hope you found this presentation useful. Please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated with the latest videos I would be uploading. Guys, thanks for joining. I'll see you soon.